So hello and welcome everyone to our ABLOX video series. So today we are going to learn about the LED chaser. Alright, so for this the basic introduction is that by now you have learned about how an LED works. It has two terminals, the negative is connected to the ground and the positive is connected to a digital pin. So you have learned the basics about LEDs, and today we are going to learn about the LED chasing effect. So it looks like, for example, there are 5 LEDs in a row. So LED 1 turns on for about 0.2 to 0.5 seconds, stays on for that time period, and then becomes off. And immediately as the first LED becomes off, the second LED glows. And when the second LED turns off, the third LED turns on. When the third LED turns off, the fourth LED turns on. And similarly, when the fourth LED turns off, the fifth LED turns on at the same time. And then the cycle repeats by turning on the first LED again. And the glow time is for about 0.2 to 0.5 seconds, so that it looks like these LEDs are chasing each other, one after the other, one after the other. So it gives us a simulating a chasing effect. So this is what we need to know about the basics of this project, and we are going to require software components, hardware connections, and then we are going to learn about the conclusion. All right, so software components required. Firstly, we have Arduino UNO, we have jumper cables, we have LEDs, and we have our website ABLOX ABL Education. Okay, so you are going to code on that website or platform, and similarly you are going to make the circuit, and you just have to place the blocks in the right order. And the best part about this website is that it will make the circuit for you. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so moving on, we have hardware connections. So firstly we have LED, and as you all know that LED has two terminals, that is cathode and anode. Cathode is the negative terminal that is connected to the ground using a resistor, and then we have an anode which is the positive terminal, and it is connected to the digital pin. So basically I just wanted to clear a small doubt from your side. That is, many students ask me, sir, do we have to connect the LED to the negative terminal or the positive terminal? So students, I'd like to let you know that it doesn't make any difference as such, just that when the current flows through the LED, there should be a resistance that slows down the current. In simple words, there shouldn't be excess current. So it doesn't matter if you're connecting the resistor to the ground or if you're connecting the resistor to the digital pin in between. So you can connect it either ways. Okay, so moving on, we have this LED, and as you all know, this has anode and cathode pin. The shorter leg is the cathode and the longer leg is the anode. Okay, so this is the basic simple circuit that we are going to use. So we have 3 LEDs, and all the cathodes are connected together and are going into the ground. And we have 3 anodes, that is green, yellow and red, and these are connected to the resistors and going into 3 digital pins. Here those are 7, 8 and 9. So this is the circuit connection. Now we have programming, compiling and uploading it to Arduino UNO. So it is basically very simple. You just have to follow the algorithm and the logic behind this. So the loop I have taken that the loop runs 3 times. You can take it 4, 5 or even infinite if you want the LEDs to run constantly. Okay, so inside the loop, what I do, see, I have taken LEDs number 10, 13, 9, 12 and 11. Okay, so firstly I turn on LED 10, wait for 2 seconds and then turn it off, and then as soon as it turns it off, the LED number 13 turns on, and we wait for 0.2 seconds. You can make it 0.5, you can make it 0.8. The speed is totally up to you. And as soon as the LED 13 turns off, LED number 9 turns on. Okay, so 9, not LED number 9. Basically these are the digital pins that the LEDs are connected to. And lastly, when LED that is connected to digital pin number 12 turns off, the LED 11 turns on. So this is the loop, and this is how it's going to look like in the final view. So in conclusion, I just like to say today we learned about controlling 5 LEDs to give us a chaser effect. You can use more LEDs as well, and it's totally up to you. The more you practice, the more you understand. Okay, so the question for the day is, how many digital pins are there in Arduino UNO? So let me know the answers in the comment section. Okay, and just remember to keep moving forward, learning and growing. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.